You hit anything?
No, it's slipped off. I don't know where to.
Try it again.
I wish there's some minerals I could hit.
What's that?
I wish there was some frogs or something I could hit. Nope, curved off.
Hmm.
It keeps curving off to the right. I don't know why. It's probably just the way I'm holding it. So.
You got to say this last set over here. Keeps curving off, huh?
Yeah, I had it too high that time, though. Because the wind keeps stopping and going. You'll probably waste a lot of film trying to catch me hitting it.
Well, I just want to get pictures of you shooting it, that's all. If you hit it, that's fine.
Oh, that didn't curve at all. Darn it.
Almost hit it, though, huh?
Well, I'm trying to hit a sun over there, and that time it didn't even curve. Down or right. It started to, and then it's kicked back over the other way.
Never hit it. You'll never hit it.
His game traded, and I wanted to trade some Genesis games for some Super Nintendo games.
Boy, this zooms in really nice. Let's see if it zooms out when it comes on you. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are. At the top of your head, thought it was your jacket. Top of my head, I should say.
Hi.
There we go. Well, let's walk on and see the lodge. It's right about over in there.
I know. Oh, let's see here.
He shot a stone into the air, and where it lands, he does not care.
Cars. I know. They wouldn't know if I
Yeah, they wouldn't know who hit him, would they? I hear cars.
I see them. Right over it.
I think I threw it out there.
Huh? I could shoot it out there if I...
Yeah, there it is.
See if I can hit one.
Boom. Boom. He's lost. There he is. Boom. Got him good. Boom.
Who are you shooting at?
Say hi,
The car.
Dad. I'm crushing his head. Crush, 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 crush. See, where's the doggy? We crushed the dog. Crush, crush, crush. Where are the cars? We crushed the cars.
Crash the camera lens.
Ah! See, where are the cars?
They're just pulling tires to the other side, I think.
Huh? Oh! Let's see that again, Father.
Huh?
Let's see you hit it again. He just hit that sign right there. Dead on. See what it says. Don't really know. See. Here comes Father shooting it again.
Oh, way off. Way off.
No, he missed. Cheap. That cheap shot. Yeah, I know. That's why I hold it that way. You can't hold it good and not hurt your.
You hold it by the leather part, huh?
Yeah, that's how you have to shoot it. He's trying again, people.
It's hard to find an aerodynamic stone out here, you know that?
Yeah. He's controversing his aerodynamic stone so that he can hit it perfectly. Come on.
Missed it by about this much, Aaron.
You missed me by about that much, Dad.
Huh?
You missed me by that much. I heard it hit. Where's Susie at? What's Susie looking at? Huh? What?
Hell, no, she loves this, Eric. It doesn't bother her. The dog's skin's pretty thick and all the hair and stuff. Hi, Susie. Susie. Whoa, no, blew me over. Susie, you see the geese take off? Goose take off?
Yeah,
What is that? Where is she, Eric?
I believe.
Look at him.
She
I don't
won't
know.
be stepping in goose droppings. Dad?
She is, huh?
Yes.
Well, what can we do about that, Eric? I think
Well, she's not sitting in my lap on her way home. She's sitting in your car. Maybe I can pick up some goose poop and shoot at him.
should have had some rocks here, huh? See if you can bean a goose. You see this tree here, Eric?
What?
That tree straight ahead there? That big old tree there?
The one with the trunk half nut out?
Yeah. That tree was alive last year. It's basically dead now.
Yep. Wait. Dog, don't eat that. Dad, she's eating your
It's that
food.
same big tree. Look at all those teeth marks on there.
Dog, you're stepping in more food.
That's just incredible, you know? All the way down to the ground. All the way up. How can they get that high, Eric?
How can who get?
I mean, can beavers climb or something?
No, they sit up. They get pretty big.
Eric, look how high. I guess you're right, yeah.
That's probably a good 3 feet off, maybe 2.5, 3 feet off.
Yeah,
to be honest.
yeah.
I've seen them.
That one is so well camouflaged, Eric, the one that's sitting down.
Hey, quit eating.
Eric, everywhere you look.
I know. But half these trees, they cut them down. They didn't do anything with them. You know?
Yeah, you're right. There's over there. How much from over there? There, that one. That's just incredible. That's a big tree, you know? Back there.
This we cut down a little while ago. This is still wet in the middle.
Uh-huh. Big chips, huh?
Unless the roots are just still pulling up water. Because the top's still dried out. Maybe that's what it is.
Yeah, that part there is wet, and that part there is dry. Look, all the way up. So maybe they chop it down, Eric, and all that bark on there is good bark to eat if they get around to it.
You don't eat bark, do you?
Sure. Nice trees down here. Where you look. There's the one you're talking about that was, they cut it up, they chewed there. Cut it down, chewed it. There's the water. And supposedly they all live right here in the banks. Just burrow under the water there and make a home.
Dog, better be careful. Hey.
That's home. If you're a beaver. How far did it go?
Right in front of you.
No kidding.
It went way up and then came down right in front of you.
Wow.
So if that was a hand grenade, you'd be dead. I think this is up here. For the landing of the dogs.
I heard that.
Yeah, I know.
I heard that land right next to me.
Ah, harpoon 'em, guys! Yeah! Ah! Ah! It's distracting me. Hey, don't fight. I'm gonna have to beat you up for that, dog. Come on. Get out.
Mad dog, mad dog. She does get worked up, doesn't she? Snap,
I
snap.
hope you fall in deer droppings, dog. She saw.
Ah, yes, those deer droppings.
See, this is right about where mine fell. Ha! Ha! Watch it, dog.
Wouldn't that make America? Wouldn't that make America's funniest videos, Eric? What a dumb dog. What a dumb dog. I felt that.
Come on, Susie. Ah! Ah! Ha, ha. You shall die.
It stuck to her tongue.
No thanks.
Sit at home. Or something into her.
I don't think she cares for that too much. Susie! Susie! Dangerous dog. Eric, show it to her.
Susie, come on. Come on, come get it. How? Slivers.
Slivers?
Slivers.
You're kidding. She got it?
Yeah.
It's like a dead mouse or something, huh? Well, I thought she'd like it. I don't think she'd like it that much. Dog. What a dog, huh? What a kid. What a kid, huh? Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, these are the houses right here. So this is Von Row.
Yeah. And you see the tracks there?
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Freight station, passenger station. Sun manual here.
Small stations.
Yeah, they're small. You got the tracks going up there, up to the mill. Coming back down, and then we got Vaughn Road. That's right out here. here's the whole thing here. There's the tracks and the houses up there. There's
do
the
people actually,
freight
do
strait.
people live in those or this?
Now it's all owned by the park. It's like there's more houses down there. It's owned by the park now, see? And well, let's go, bud.